Today I'm going to show you how to make a very cute spaghetti sleeve top without sewing.
Oh, hey, I didn't see you there.
Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel once again. Today my name is Silem. If you're new here, if you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Silem. I'm so pleased to meet you. I'm so glad you stopped by. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very cute spaghetti sleeve top without sewing. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to make this top without sewing. You don't have to sew to make this beautiful top. The fabric I'm using for this top is called a lycra fabric. It is self-finished, so meaning that it does not fray. So when you cut it with the scissors, it does not fray at all. However, it is not a solid fabric. Now, a solid fabric is a fabric that has the right side and the wrong side identical. Now, as you can see, this fabric, the wrong side is clearly different from the right side and vice versa. So this is not a solid fabric. However, it is a self-finished fabric, so meaning that it does not fray, and it is perfect for this particular no-sew project that we're going to do today. So yeah, this is a lycra fabric, and if you want to see how I make this beautiful spaghetti top with this beautiful lycra fabric, then please keep watching.
Now, I'm simply measuring the width of the fabric. It's 36 inches and the length of the fabric is 25 inches. I'm just going to flip the fabric now to the reverse side because I don't have a chalk and I want to mark with my pen. So from the left side, I'm marking 2 inches, and from that 2 inches mark, I'm marking 5 inches. Now this 5 inches will serve as the width of the rectangle I'm going to create. Just going over the measurements again, 2 inches from the side and 5 inches for the width of the rectangle. Now the length of the rectangle the length of the rectangle is 1 inch. So that's why I'm just simply sketching that right now, and that will give you a very slender rectangle. Now I'm going to mark the center of the fabric, and so remember that the width was 36 inches divided by 2, that will give me 18 inches, and that's what I marked. Now from this other side, I'm marking 2 inches as well, and then from that 2 inches mark, I'm also marking 5 inches, just like I did for the other side. And the width as well is 1 inch, or the length rather. The length of the rectangle is 1 inch, while the width is 5 inches. Now, where I marked that center point, which is 18 inches. Now, from that point, I'm making sure that at that center point, I have 2.5 at that center point, so that by the time I mark the width of my rectangle to be 5 inches, the rectangle will be right in the middle of the fabric. I don't know if that makes sense. But basically, I try to get a rectangle, one rectangle at each side and one rectangle in the center, so directly in the center of the fabric. So now I created a hole in the middle of that rectangle I drew, and now I'm just cutting open that rectangle, the tracing I made for the rectangle. Having done that, I'm going to do the same thing for the other 2 rectangles. And this is what we have. I'm going to show you guys how to wear this top. Now you have to put your hand in one of the put your arm through one of the rectangles. Now the one in the center, your second arm is going to go into that rectangle in the center. Then take the rest of the fabric, wrap around your body, and put one of your arms through the last rectangle. Yeah, it's a lot of words but this is what it looks like. It's just a very cute top. I don't even know if I should call it a spaghetti sleeve top, but it kind of looks like a spaghetti sleeve top. But I just really love what it looks like. You can as well put a belt right there in the center. Yeah, you can as well put a belt on your waist. Yeah, but this is what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more no-sew projects, definitely let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.